Redefining live production control, the HDKATOV KD50B empowers you to command every angle. Fully compatible with BMD ATEM and Bitfocus Companion made for today's top production platforms. Control up to 20 PGM and 20 PVW channels with real-time status shown on the integrated LCD. Fully programmable buttons, knobs, and T-bar tailor every action to your production needs. Effortlessly switch 20 channels, expandable to 40 via web interface for complex productions. Choose from Mix, WIPE, Sting, and DVE transitions. T-bar and LED feedback offer fluid precision. Control vMix, OBS, and PTZ cameras in one unified interface. Powerful integration made simple. Distinct RGB lighting colors for transitions, effects, and presets clearly visible under any lighting. Built-in DB25 interface supports 12 PGM and 12 PVW tally outputs. Keep camera states perfectly in sync. Control 550 plus devices like ATEM, vMix, mixers, and PTZs. No coding needed. Just plug and play. One switcher panel, total control, HDKATOV KD50B, empowering every frame of your broadcast. Control, switch, deliver with HDKATOV KD50B.